Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register on NREL Alternative Fuel Data Center Tools easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the NREL Alternative Fuel Data Center. Once the page loads, look for the Tools section on the home page. Click on the Tools link to access the available resources. You will see various tools listed. Locate the tool you wish to register for. Click on the tool's title to read more about it. On the Tools page, find the Register or Sign Up button. Click on this button to proceed to the registration form. Fill in your personal details as requested in the form. This may include your name, email address, and organization. Ensure that you create a secure password. After filling in all required fields, review your information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button. Check your email for a verification message from NREL. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. After verifying your email, return to the NREL website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Explore the tool's features to get familiar with its functionalities. You are now ready to utilize the NREL Alternative Fuel Data Center tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.